No, sir. My phone nicer than this. You see me, I am back. I am back. I am back. Oh, nobody not choose to text me until me go live, you know. Sure. No, my sister have no worry. Sure. Oh boy. Monetize the first live. Your phone, your tablet, mad in me. You know, oh. Mm. Look quiet, you know. Boy, you see me, how money you can buy new tablet for yourself. But most. You know, I have two tablet though. Yeah, go. So. Your face needs to steam. Good man. Watch out, girl. May I tell us somebody on YouTube live? We still gonna go TikTok live. And the other phone, I can go TikTok live on this phone. Mm-hmm. Mm? Mm-hmm. Who is there? Who is here? Who is there? Who is there? Who is there with me? Text me, see who there with me. Look how me nice man TikTok. And look how my face man this. I'm so. This is nice. Sure. Look at me. TikTok. See me here. Look how me sweet man TikTok. And see me up this up on YouTube. I'm not gonna win up on YouTube. TikTok, what one? Right. Make me nice up on TikTok. Me never did have a nice so. Me never have a nice so. Look how me cute. Look how me cute. Girl, how do you find me? Me so me cute so. Hi YouTube. Who live at that time, my daughter? Keep going. We're letting more viewers know that you're live. That means I'm trying to find me yet. What do I do now? I do this. Mary, you never choose to do much of until mid the live though. You know if you got easy, please. How does this work? How does this work? Hey Jordan, what's up? I'm on TikTok live and I'm also on YouTube live. Jordan, are you on TikTok? TikTok is so nicer than YouTube. Well, I got me did on TikTok live. Few persons came on. We were, chilling.
Hi, good night, guys. Santa, hi.
Where you up to?
How you all doing? Today, one.
Oh, you're not on TikTok, you're on
What
Twitter. I'm
time?
not on Twitter. I'm on
When I finish, I'll
Instagram.
call you back.
Instagram and
I'm trying to find YouTube
TikTok.
for me TV and trying to find something you see.
How comes?
Remember, I see the mom is operating.
You must make him teach you. What if he's not around? What happened to this man? Yes, Jordan, I know you're on Instagram.
No, you all doing in the lockdown. Yeah. Lockdown.
Anisha,
Yeah.
how many persons live on your side?
Huh?
How many persons live on your side?
Of one person.
Yeah. Me not
If you
even.
lockdown stressing bad.
Oh, me just get somebody. Hey, Anthony Williams.
Sleep. I sleep all day. I don't know what's going on in the week. I don't know why I sleep.
Today?
Well, sleep at midnight.
Okay, Jordan. To be honest, Jordan, me must go on TikTok and on Facebook lately. I just chill and watch videos and laugh. I'm not too active on Instagram. I just love how I look panda filter something yeah. I just look brown and sweet and clean. So girl for look.
My God.
Why me not look sad in real life? No sir. I must see me there sing this song for. Where say you look better in the dark. Guys, you know what? Snip on the filter. I'm pretty. If I have
Look
to.
better in the dark.
If you go for 5,000 bill, you know, to be pretty. 5,000 bill, me need to go for. Yeah, me need to go for it. Girl, that's nice, so.
Prefer that love.
Tell a friend to come say hi to me. Tell him to come say hi to me. Tell him to talk to me. Because me don't have nobody over here. Tell him to follow me.
Because 20.
I believe just red
Yeah.
so.
Because all lipstick.
No, me never want a lipstick. Wait. That's nice so. Jordan. Nice enough. Me not too nice on the screen. I want me nice on that one. Me that what you want. Take a tablet and go on. Go on where you go, please. Make sure your timetable is so, you know. You're supposed to know You're supposed to know 3 times 3.
Yeah.
Move on to 4 times 4.
Okay.
5 times 5, very easy.
I know that.
So go move on to 4. 4 times.
Okay.
Yes, Jordan, I do have WhatsApp. Still have a cold in my throat, you know. Oh, I bought lime. I have lime. I'm going to roast the lime. Jesus, I love you so much. I give you praises. I worship you, mighty God.
Sorry about that, guys. Me go look music. Go look music.
Me so end YouTube live, you know. Cause TikTok have a buzz.
Well, then my YouTube something no. Then go up to color. So then my YouTube name.
That one person may have my YouTube live. And he doesn't have TikTok.
I TikTok.
Huh?
My person have one TikTok.
On YouTube. And that person doesn't have TikTok. How? Let me see if I can see. Ooh, I feel like you're right now. You reach 2K. You reach 2K follower up on TikTok, man. You're going with yourself.
Not no, mommy. Please, mommy, not no.
Hey, people not want to talk until I go live, you know? Which one?
Mommy,
This one? Shit. We talk about the WhatsApp thing over on Instagram, Jordan. You can go on with yourself? And the rum?
When me jump.
When you jump, you can go on with yourself?
Only time me jump, me can't dance.
Oh, Jordan, when we finish live, I'm going to check it, alright?
Ethan or whatever.
Jordan, to be honest with you, TikTok have the buzz. We can play music on TikTok and chill.
But it's supposed to play.
We can't play it on YouTube and have a vibe.
Give it
So that's
something
why you
to
see me
play,
mute the mic because I don't want to get copyright on here. Hi Selvan Kitchen, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Give me a thumbs up. How you doing? I'm just here vibing on TikTok and here on YouTube. Maya, oh, me think me go come off for YouTube live and stay up on TikTok, yeah. TikTok the thing there. No, TikTok the thing there. Where that one?
Let's go, my YouTube.
Good night. How are you? Wanna stop play already? already on the top of the screen, man. Top the screen. Top the screen. Big tune. Big tune. But. Wanna tap my screen, guys? Tap the screen. We are tired. We're tired. No, son, tap my screen. Please tap my screen. Girl, listen, we're tired. Clayton, good night. Welcome to my live stream. With Ty. No, it can't over. It can't over. Why you put me in one love mood, girl? Fire upon love. My connection is unstable. Probably as a result of the rain. Good night, guys. As you come in, please tap the screen. Please tap the screen. Dream weekend on the live. Dream weekend. Tap the live, guys. I'll follow you back, lover. Thank you for that follow. I'll definitely follow you back. We draw. We don't need for draw. We need for win. We need for whip the girl's skin. Play again. Play again. Play again. I don't know how to do it. Yes. I said try it. Also, I'm waiting. Okay, yeah, teach me something. Alright, guys, stop it. Tap the screen for me now. Tap the screen. It's my first time playing this game. I want to win her. I want to stop the screen. Girl, and I see my people. What time? Tap my screen, guys. Tap my screen. Shut up. I want to tap on my screen for me because I want to done her. I want to done you. Big select. It give feel nice. Tap the screen here, my guys. And she had the selector and she has select all the nice songs. Learn to play and win the match. Learn. I love TikTok, I don't lie. I accompany it every night. When they send me some gifts, all the gifts go now, and me I get them gifts the one me see I go up so, and me I get them the love art there. Oh, I love you too, guys. I love you. Big up to my friend there. I love her too. We're going to YouTube. Bye, guys. Thank you very much for coming. I'm going to end this live and focus on TikTok. So I'll come back live tomorrow. Bye, guys. Me